Hello everyone, my name is William Greenlaw. I'm a UC representative in Pforzheimer House in my sophomore year. I'm also the Director of Business Partnerships for the Ballroom Dance Team. Now, the Ballroom Dance Team's current main page is in the need of a bit of a modern upgrade. It suffers from a few design flaws, a boring color scheme, and a generally unengaging interface. And so, as the Director of Business Partnerships for the team, I am responsible for attracting competitors and investors to our organization. But that cannot be done without an aesthetic overhaul. This final project is that aesthetic overhaul. The new concept front page of the Ballroom Dance Team. Now, this is the first step of many, as this project leaves the confines of CS50 and enters the processing, approval, and expansion page with the team's executive board. The front page is designed as an experience. When the user reaches the website, they are greeted with a compelling slideshow powered by JavaScript to show an inside look of the team. Scrolling downward, we find ourselves with an eternally looping, low-latency video that has been embedded and powered by CSS. This way, the user can have an actual view of the way the team performs. Now this is very important, because this sport is highly visual, and this website design actually handles that very well. Finally, on the bottom of the pane, users can interact with 3 separate specialized GIFs that animate and activate with the user's cursor movements. Only when the cursor moves does the actual animation pane work. Now, each of these bottom panes, as well as the links in the navigation bar, lead to the original website that provides greater structure and a little more information to the user after they are drawn in by the new concept web page's design. And so, from a performance point of view, why would it make sense to focus so much on subtle nuances of the first page? Why even bother with making the text gently illuminate to white whenever you hover on top of it? Or why even bother making the tiles deluminate to gray and illuminate to color when and when not in use? That is because in the real world, the front page sets the tone for whether we attract an investor or a competitor, or if they decide to turn their browser back to their social media page in boredom. Because in real life, people rarely make it past the front page. The nuances and attention to detail are what make this front page an attention grabber and investment attractor. And so enjoy! This has been William Greenlaw. And this was CS50.